Digital marketing sounds complicated, but it does not have to be. Let us simplify 5 common marketing terms in just 90 seconds. First up, PPC, or pay-per-click. It means you only pay when someone clicks your ad. No click, no cost. Simple. Next is CTR, click-through rate. It shows how many people clicked your ad after seeing it. More clicks means better interest. ROAS stands for return on ad spend. If you spend $10 on ads and make $50 back, your ROAS is strong. It tells you if ads are worth it. Now UX, or user experience. It is how easy and enjoyable your website feels to use. Fast loading, clear buttons, no frustration. And UI, user interface. That is how your website looks. Colors, layout, fonts, and design. Marketing is not confusing once you speak the language.